Hello everyone. Today, inshallah, we complete 4 pages for Math Learner Book Grade 3, page number 110 until page number 113. So let's start. Right angles. Let's investigate. These squares all have right angles. You can see here. These are squared with the help of a matchstick. So these squares are made of matchsticks. So all of these they have right angles 1 2 3 4, so all of them. So can you take away 3 matchsticks and still have 3 square? Remember, they must all have right angle. Okay, let us move any 3 matchsticks. So after this we should have right angle, 3 right angles. So let us check if we skip this one. We just take out 3. So if we take this 3, no, not possible. From here, yeah, the first one, if we skip this one, this matchstick, let us erase this. Yeah, so the second one, no, we cannot erase this. It's not a complete right. Yes, this one. And this one. Now we have remaining 3 right angle. We just erase, or we just skip 3 matchsticks. Now read the question again. These square all have right angle. The square are made of matchstick. Can you take away 3 matchsticks? So we just take away 3 matchstick, one from here, one from here, one from here, and still have 3 squares. So we have still 3 squares here, and also they all have right angles. All have right angles. Because next question, let us do the next question. We have different shape here, A, B, C, D, E, F until L. So the question are on the other side. Questions: draw the shape that have one. Draw the shapes, or just find out the shapes that have one or more right angle. One or more right angle. So let us do. We need to find right angles. More important thing, right angle. What's right angle? Exactly make a 90-degree, or in simple word, the shape of L from all sides. For example, it is a square. So how many right angles are here? The shape of L. You can see here the shape of L from here to here. So this is the first right angle, and same like this, this is the shape of L. Not like this, not like this, exactly 90-degree, the shape of L. So this is 90-degree. So then we can say it's a right angle. 1 2 3 4. So in a square there are 4 right angles. In a square there are how many right angles? 4. So same like this, you can see here it's a square. So it's better we are making here right angles. This one, this one. Just a minute. Let's go down. Yes. Now we can make it one here, one here, here, and here. So here we don't have any right angle. Cross it, and C we have one only. Other side no. And here D, how many are here? One here, one here, and one. Other no. This one, this corner, no, and not outside, inside. Okay, E, nothing. F, nothing, no right angle. And G also no. H, yes, we have one here, the second here, the third one here, and fourth one here. Yes, we have here, and one more here. Inner side, not outer side. After this, I, no, we don't have. J, nothing. K, yes, we have. Same like square, it is similar. So we're writing here. It's better we need to write inside. We have four angle here, one here, and three here, five here, and after this, and four here. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, and also just we need to see. Yeah, I think one here. So we have one here. Sometimes we are considering, but sometimes we are not. So let us write it. One. Okay. Now we start the questions. Draw the shape that have one or more right angle. So we have here B, C, D, and H. After this, K and L. Yes, K and L. So we can write it. In front of question number 1. In front of question number 1 part A. So we need to write B. No need to write brackets. B, C, D. After D, write H. After H, write K and L. So this is answer for the first part. Part A. Draw the shape that have one or more right angle. B, C, D, H, K, and L. And it has more than one right angles. Question number 2. How many right angles are there altogether? How many right angles are there altogether? So I already wrote it. The number we have 4 here. We have 1 here. We have 3 here. I don't think so. This one. So we can consider 2. Okay, H. Yeah, it's completely L shape. And K and L. So I think it's 2. So I did 2. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 13. 4, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. So there are 17 right angles. So you can write here 17. And part A, you can write here B, C, D, H, K, and L. These are internal right angles, exactly right angles. Draw as many regular 2D shapes that have one or more right angles as you can. So when we are talking about 2D shape, there are only two, square and rectangle. So mostly we can see here square and rectangle. These are 2D shapes. Square and rectangle. Draw as many 3D shapes that have one or more than one right angles as you can. So you can draw it. 3D shape mean three-dimensional shapes, and 2D mean two-dimensional shape. These are the 2D shapes. These are mostly 2D shapes. Okay, three-dimensional not like this. Just I make one cube for 3D shape. This is simple 2D shape. Now I want to make a 3D shape. And so it's a cube. It's 3D shape, 3 dimension, or you can say 3-dimensional shape. So draw as many regular 3D. Regular mean all sides are equal. 3D regular 3D shapes that have one or more than one right angles as you can. So I just write the name. You can make as you can. Just some name I write like cube. This is a cube shape, 3D shape. Cube, cuboid. There are many square-based pyramid or different. I just write some name. Prism also 3D shape, etc. Question number 5. What would happen if there were no right angle? What would happen if there were no right angles? Right angle, you know, if we are talking about right angle, it should have or it should has just like this complete L shape, like this straight and then this one. So when we are talking about right angle, it's not like this, not little bit bend inner side and not as a little bit outer side. So this is not a right angle. It's not a right angle. So what would happen if there were no right angle? So you can say the walls would not be vertical. The walls, if you're talking about walls, would not be verticals for a building for different places. So the walls would not be vertical if there were no right angles. So you cannot create a building. So in your homes and buildings, you can see there are mostly L shape or corners. So the walls would not be vertical. So we can write here What would happen if there were no right angle? So the walls or wall, walls, yeah, walls would not be vertical. Question number 6. Draw a house with no right angle. Okay, make a tent like this, or a small house with this with a curved shape. So there you can say there were no right angle. Choose something different to draw that has no right angle. So you can choose it from these shape. Different shapes are here, like E, F, no right angle here. A, no right angle here. So you make a tent like A. There isn't any right angle. A star, no right angle. Or you can say Q shape, no right angle. So it's depend upon you. What kind of you can say what kind of shape, or you can make it from here to here. Question number page number 112. Symmetric. How many times can you fold a piece of paper in half and cut shapes out? Symmetric, you're talking about symmetric. Investigate different ways of folding and cutting the paper. So you can cut from here, here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times you can make it. From corner to corner, from center, from here to here 1, from here to here 2, and then from 4 sides. So 2 plus 4, 6. So we can write here 6. Times better. Okay, find all the lines of symmetry of these regular polygons. Okay, write a rule about the number of lines of symmetry for a regular polygon. First of all, we need to draw the symmetric line. Let us do. Okay, when we are talking about equilateral triangle, starting from here, should be in the center. Okay, then the second, same like this, should be in the center. If not center, again not center. And here also in the center, and here also in the center. Okay, like this. So there are 3 lines of symmetry. If you want to write right here 3 lines of symmetry, or 3. After this we have square. Let us draw how many right angles are here. Starting from the center, we have 1, 2, 3. Then after 2, the third from here to here, and 4th, Yeah, so we just make 4 line of symmetry. We want to write right here 4. Regular pentagon, same like here, we are choosing from corner to the center, from corner to the center. So we can say how many corner, same like this, so the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are also 5 line of symmetry. Let us draw. And starting from corner and in the center. And this should be in the center, like this, starting from here, and should be in the center, and then starting from here, should be in the center, and then starting from here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more, but one here. Yes, now it's okay. As the center, the middle line we're not counting. This one no need to count. So we can write here how many lines of symmetry here? 5 in a pentagon, regular pentagon. And after this, a regular hexagon. The next part we are writing, it's better we write here 5 and regular hexagon. Hexagon, it has 6 sides. The same like pentagon, it are connecting 6 sides. The first you can count from corner to corner, it's better. This first, then you can also use the center, but it's better from the corner, corner to corner, 2, 3, now we are using from this center to this center, 4, 5, should be straight, and one more, so 6. So there are 6. We are writing here 6. Okay, let's move question number 2. Page number 13, 113. Which of these figures has a line of symmetry? Draw the ones that have and show the lines of symmetry. So let us do it. This one, it has, yes, we can make it. This one, no. It's cloud. C, we can make it, yes. And D, no. We cannot make a line of symmetry. E, yes. So let us draw the line of symmetry. So after this, other yes. So A, B, and B no. A, C, and E. So we have only 3 shapes. So let us do it. We can make 2 lines of symmetry. No, there is only one. So we write here. We will draw. So let us draw. This is only one line of symmetry. And if we are talking about this, there is also one. No, not one. Just check from here. After this, we are talking about E. A tree. Yes, we can make it line. Yes, like this. So which of these figure has a line of symmetry? We can write it. So we need to write here A, C, and E. No need to write. If you draw the line, then cutting these two, it's enough for you. Question number 3. Is the line drawn a line of symmetry for the figure? It's already, you can see the line. So which one? Yes, right, yes. Which one? No. This one, no. We can see it's not both sides equal. So we write here, no. Okay, and B, the line of symmetry. Yeah, obviously, yes. Let us, yeah, right here, yes. After this, the third part, C, no. D, simple no. No is line of symmetry. And E, yes, triangle, right triangle. So we write here, yes. We can see L shape, yes. And F also, yes. Like this, we complete page number 113.